This is the Quantum Flux 3 cube. The goal is just to take the cube apart, and if we kind of start by pulling on the edges of the puzzle, you actually won't get any movement from this cube at all. So you actually have to start by trying to push some of the pieces and see where some of the pieces can come apart. Now we can get a slight bit of movement from this piece on the bottom of the cube, but that's actually not going to help you with the solve just yet. And you can do this step in either of two ways. To get the Quantum Flux 3 puzzle for yourself, go check out the link in our description. You can either push this cube from the side, or you can just go and kind of pull this piece out, and down drops this other piece out the bottom of the cube. Now if we tip this cube over, we can see we can get a bit of movement from this piece as well. But that piece, actually, you don't want to pull it up. You want to pull this piece out to the side and drop that piece down to the bottom. Once that piece is dropped down to the bottom, we can now pull this piece up and pull it out to the side. Next, we actually need to push this piece up from the bottom and pull it out the side of the puzzle. Then we need to push this piece back up to the top and then push this piece back into the cube. And I know it looks like we're reassembling the cube, but you're actually not too far away from the solution. Push this piece back up one step further, and we can now remove these two pieces from the cube and finally separate these two pieces from one another.